Hey folks, good morning. It's Joe from Remax Gold, your neighborhood local realtor. Just coming to you today with Joe's Home Hacks. So just wanted to talk to you and continue the talk about rain. So we're still having lots of rain, lots of storms. It's spring, pretty normal. And water's coming up in the rivers and there's lots of water on your foundations. So another important thing, last week we talked about getting watershed off of your foundation. Today we got to talk about sump pumps. So this is very important. So here we go. All right, so here is my sump pump. It's in the ground. It's just a hole in the basement floor. And it's got a plastic bucket in it, I guess is what you would call it. And then it's got a pipe that comes up out of it. And the pipe comes up out, goes all the way, and goes outside, if you can see that. So it pumps the water outside your house. All right, so then all you have to do to check your sump pump is to pull the lid off. Take the lid off, slide it sideways, and then here's your sump pump. As you can see way down in here, there is a pump, excuse the dirty water, and there's a little plunger. There's also a little drain that comes in from it. That's called a French drain. There's another one on this side. I don't know if you can see that as well. A lot of people will put filters on the French drains. Some people put socks on them, or you could put stockings on, old stockings on them, whatever. All that does is filter out the dirt that might come into the house or any bugs that might get in the drain in some way, shape, or form. So these French drains are connected. They come into this bucket. They dump water into the bucket, and then that water fills up. The bucket gets to the top or to the plunger. And to check this, you can mess with the plunger. So you can actually push that plunger up and down, mess with it, and check it to see if it's working properly. So, there we go, kicked it on. So now it's emptying the sump pump, emptying all the water out. There you go. That's as low as mine goes. So, actually I probably need to adjust that. So that is it, folks. That's it about sump pumps. You need to check it, make sure it works. You need to check, make sure the drains are good and clear. You need to make sure it's hooked up to electric. And you need to make sure that... So really, that's all I've got for this week. Thanks very much. Please check your sump pumps and your sump pits and make sure that everything's working properly to keep the water off your foundation. Again, this is Joe from Joe's Home Hacks. Joe's Homes. Till next week. Take care.